Blessings from Eat Good TV, scissoring, savoring, little is much with all in it. Today I'm here visiting my daughter. Say hi to all my YouTube family.
Hi guys.
Yeah, today I'm visiting. So you see me in a new kitchen because I'm visiting my daughter. Today I'm making oven roasted chicken. Here are the ingredients we need. We need our chicken, butter, garlic powder, garlic, onion powder, complete seasoning, poultry seasoning, ground black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, salt. And we have our potato, carrot, onions, lemon to clean the chicken and put inside of the chicken, rosemary, thyme, and butter. I think I said butter before. First we're going to cut up all our carrots. We're going to cut the veggie. Remove the inside pieces from the chicken. This is a packet with everything, just remove it from the chicken. You can eat it if you want to. You can just season it and put it to cook with the chicken. Or you can just remove it from the chicken. And clean the inside of the chicken. Make sure you get inside of the chicken and clean out everything from the inside of the chicken. All the little red stuff from inside of the chicken, make sure it's clean. And remove the fat from the chicken. And make sure you get into it and clean it. And remove this yellow skin from the chicken here. Just remove this part of the chicken. And the both legs. And wash the chicken with lemon and vinegar. You just squeeze and just wash. Give the chicken a good scrub. The lemon and vinegar all over the chicken. Give it a nice scrub. Put some vinegar in the water and you wash it 3 times. Until the water is, look at the water. When the water is clear, wash it another time. Add a little more vinegar. And just really get into it. Make sure it's clean. Nice and clean. Clean bird. Okay. Water is clean. This butter is gonna go inside of the chicken to give it extra flavor. So we need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of complete seasoning, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. My daughter don't like Scotch bonnet, so I'm just putting like a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. But now you put your Scotch bonnet and your allspice. Allspice is pimento, but my daughter don't like that. So this is ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. The butter has salt, so you don't need any salt. Garlic powder, onion powder, and poultry seasoning.
Go.
And just mix everything together, combine everything together. It makes it very delicious when you put it inside of the chicken. Look at it. Delicious, delicious, delicious. If you're roasting pan, roasting dish, or file pan, whatever you use, just grease it. Place your chicken. Make sure your chicken is dry properly. So you're just gonna place the chicken. Make sure it's very dry. You have to make sure it's dry and inside is very clean. So you're just gonna place the chicken in the pan. Place the chicken in the pan. Season inside of the chicken. Add some pepper. Just season with all the season that you use to put inside the butter. You just season the chicken inside. Just put everything inside here. And then you're gonna rub inside of the chicken, but make sure inside of the chicken is very clean. You just rub everything inside of the chicken. Put the butter inside of the chicken for all that delicious flavor. And add some under the skin. Outside of the chicken. The seasoning is gonna give it that flavor. Little pepper for a little kick. All complete seasoning, have everything in it. And I'm gonna season the back of the chicken. Season the back of your chicken. Salt. I'm gonna get salt. Inside the add the rosemary and thyme inside the chicken with a half of lemon. To give it extra flavor. And add your potato all around the chicken. Potato and carrot. Just the potatoes and the carrot. The onion go later. When I'm basting the chicken, then I'll add the onion. Place the chicken on the middle rack and let it cook. Baste your chicken. It's an hour and 15 minutes now. Add your onions to the pan. Onion gives it a lot of flavor, but I like when the onion is a little crunchy. And cover the chicken. I remove the chicken from the oven. Wow, it's smelling up the place, smelling up the place. Looking all delicious. Check, you can, if you have a thermometer, you can just put it in the tie, and once it read 170, then it's cooked. And this is where, you know, they have a tag here, so once it pops up, the chicken is cooked. And it looks delicious, but just cover it with a foil paper. So I'm just gonna cover it for at least 20 minutes before I serve it. So that I don't want to cut it now and the juice all run out of it. I just want to let it rest. Just let it sit for 20 minutes, then you can cut it and serve it. I'm gonna place it on a platter and then I'll serve it. There you have it, family, your delicious oven baked chicken. It's better than the chicken in the stores because you get the rotisserie chicken, but when you home cook it, it's better, it tastes better, and it's very delicious, family. I'm not gonna cut this one because my family coming over and I'm gonna have it. So you can have it for Thanksgiving, you can have it for Christmas, you can have it for any occasion, doesn't matter. Just make a chicken. You know, on Friday night you can just put a chicken in the oven. Just make a chicken, family. It's good for any occasion. Don't forget, family, to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Love you, family. Wish you all the best.